quick little tutorial on how to make some like flat back ghost jemmies using these little foam balls and some gauze that is, it's called Mummy Cloth by Tim Holtz. This was gifted to me by my friend Crystal, but I did see it again this year at Michael's. But you could also use any other stuff like any type of gauze, like bandage. Basically, you're just gonna get a styrofoam ball and cut it in half and then glue this mummy gauze cloth on the back of it, just like so. It'll be like a little dangling ghost. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick hot glue on the back. You could do it on the front as well, but do note that you are working with gauze that'll kind of like ooze out, not a lot, and definitely not noticeable when and if it does. So I'm kind of just smushing it in the back of this, and then the sides I'm gonna add a little bit of glue as well so that the top pieces adhere down as well, so there's no styrofoam peeping on the sides. I'm using these new rubber silicone nail things that I got from Dollar Tree to hold down on the hot glue while it's drying. So it looks cute with two, but I definitely recommend getting a third piece. So just cut a little, probably 2-3 inch piece. You can make them different lengths. I do think it looks cuter with different lengths. So you're just gonna glue that on the back of your styrofoam ball. Now you're just gonna get some little twine or jute or anything cute, ribbon, and tie it around the ghost's head. I just did a double knot and let the strings hang down. I was gonna do bows, and then I was like, no, let's just make it look, you know, like those lollipops where you just stick the tissue paper over the lollipop or the napkin over the lollipop. That's the look that I was going for. And I think these are super cute, so I'm just trimming away some of the excess trim. You can leave them without eyes, or you can use eyeballs. So I'm just gonna use some flat back black jemmies and make little like eyeballs. I'm gonna use some Barely Arts glue and just put a little bit on there, because even though the jemmies are sticky, you're gonna want it to really, you know, stay there, especially in transit and stuff. So I'm just gonna put those little eyeballs on there, and he is so cute. It's just like a little ghosty. And I know there's lots of tutorials on how to make ghosts, but I wanted to do basically like half size, so that when somebody is using this for embellishments, it can go on a project. Look at these guys, these are so cute. Here, I'm just gonna show you an example. So for instance, here's your project or somebody's project. See the ghost, he sticks off a little bit, you know, versus a big giant snowman head, you know, it's not gonna be as bulky versus just a half. I was thinking, you know what if I did Nuvo drops, black Nuvo drops for the eyes, and look, you guys, it just was trying to grab to the cloth and snag. So I definitely use, I don't think it's gonna work, so I wouldn't try it and ruin your little ghosty. So that is my quick little ghosty tutorial, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video.